Today we are going to discuss foods we eat, class 3 EVS. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the different type of food we eat. Let us see. Dear friends, last night I ate a chapati made of bajra with jaggery. Friends, I cooked dal and rice. Yesterday no food was cooked in my house, my dear friends. Ammi had cooked ghee and puri, which I don't like. So I ate an omelette. Dear friends, my mother cooked fish. I ate lots of it. It was really tasty. My mother brought noodles for us from the house where she works. We enjoyed eating it. Friends, I went to the Gurudwara with my grandmother for the langar. We ate dal and chapati in Gurudwara. There are different type of food we eat. Now let us see types of food. North Indian food. Normally North Indian likes to eat puri, roti, aloo gobi, paneer. This food they like very much. South Indian food. Rice, idli, dosa and idiyappam. Chinese food. Hot pot, Sichuan pork, dumplings, chow mein. These are the food, Chinese food. Chinese like this food very much. Now we are going to see junk food, which we should not eat. Burger, bacon, hot dog. These are the food, junk food. We should not eat. Kerala food. Puttu they like very much. Appam, Malabar biryani, payasam they like very much. Non-vegetarian food. Biryani, chicken 65, fish fry, paya curry. These are the non-vegetarian food items. All the food items we use spices for cooking. Let us see spices. Fenugreek, mustard, cumin seeds. Let us talk to some people and know what they like to eat. I live in Hong Kong. My mother and I both love to eat snakes. Children, you see, the people in Hong Kong, they like to eat snakes. Whenever we feel like eating snakes, we go to nearby hotel. Normally they won't prepare at home. They are going to hotel to eat snakes. I live in Kashmir. I like fish cooked in mustard oil. They like mustard oil. So the fish they are cooking in mustard oil. Once we had gone to Goa, we ate fish there, but it tastes very different. My mother said that it was sea fish cooked in coconut oil. Different type of oil they are using for cooking fish. It had to be different taste. I live in Kerala. I am Thomas. I really like to eat two things. Both grow in our courtyard. One grows on a tall tree and the other underground one. It is great to eat boiled tapioca with any curry made using coconut. It tastes very good. Now let us discuss the question answer. Question number 1. You must have noticed that the picture there in one child in whose house no food was cooked. What could be the reason? There could be one or multiple reasons for it. These can be the family of the child is poor. Maybe one reason poor. They could not afford to buy food items from the market. Second reason, the family member who usually cooks food was not well. That may be the reason. The fuel used for cooking could have been exhausted, so there is no gas in their house. Maybe the reason they could not prepare food. Question number 2. How do you know that you are hungry? When I am hungry, I crave for food and feel a slight pain in my stomach. Question number 3. What do you feel when you are hungry? I feel like eating anything eatable when I am hungry. Now let us discuss about the Vipul's family. In Vipul's family, there are some members who do not eat what Vipul eat. Do you think these people do not eat or cannot eat what Vipul eats? Let us read about Vipul's family. While returning home from school, Vipul bought a Buta corn cob. That is actually corn cob. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Chutki? I want to see her." His mother replied, "Chutki is in the room upstairs." Vipul got his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked Bas chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal. Have you put sugar in the dal?" After coming Nagpur, you have forgotten our own way of making food, said Dadi to Vipul's mother. "I have tasted the dal. It has been prepared well," replied Vipul's mother. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. "When I was your age, I could run up a hill in the same time," said Dadi. Vipul gave the buta he was eating to his mommy, washed his hands and lifted little Chutki. Suddenly Chutki started crying. "She is hungry," said mommy. She sat down to feed Chutki. Now let us discuss the question answer. Question number 1. Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? Dadi was not able to climb the stairs quickly because she was old and very weak. Question number 2. How does Dadi like to have her doll? Dadi is old and her teeth has become very weak, so she eats food that is easy to chew and bite. Dadi likes to have some sugar in her doll. She dips her chapati in the doll so that it becomes soft. and can be eaten easily by her. Question number 3. How many persons in the story can eat butta easily and why? 3 persons in the story can eat butta easily. They are Vipul, his mother, and his mommy. They can eat butta easily as they have strong teeth. Dadi is old and has weak teeth, while Chutki is too young, does not have teeth. So Dadi Chutki cannot eat butta. Question number 4. Can old people eat butta? Why? No. All old people cannot eat butta. This is because in most cases the teeth become weak in old age. Question number 5. For 4 months, Chutki will have only her mother's milk. That is her only food. Why? The answer. Chutki is 4-month-old baby, has no teeth. Her digestive system is not strong enough to digest other food products such as cow's milk. The immune system of Chutki is also not well developed as she is an infant. Mother's milk is the only food for Chutki as it is the best source of nutrition for all the babies. It contains all nutrients in proper amount required by baby. It is rich in carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, etc. and also protect the baby from disease. Question number 6. Ask your elders and fill in the blanks. What can they eat? What can they not eat? Child. Milk they can eat. Mashed fruits they can. Chapati they cannot. Sugarcane they cannot eat. Young people, rice they can eat. Chapati they can eat. All the food items they can eat. Old people they can eat juice, khichdi. They cannot eat sugarcane and butta. We are not only eat different things, but we also something to prepare a variety of food items. Find out and write what all can be prepared from rice and wheat. Rice, wheat, we can prepare chapati, we can prepare bread, pasta, noodles, chapati again, halwa we can prepare. From rice, dosa we can prepare, ghee we can prepare, idli, biryani we can prepare, chapati, pulao. What are the reason that decide what we eat? Put a tick on them. Add to the list. What is easily visible? What is easily available? What we can buy? Customs and traditions. What is easily available? What we can buy? Customs and traditions. What keeps up healthy food? The climate we live in. Question number 9. Names of something are given below. Put tick mark on the things that can be eaten. If there is anything about which you are not sure, ask your teacher. Banana flower we can eat. Drumsticks flower can eat. Lotus stem we can eat. Red ant, no, we cannot. Leftover chapati, of course we can eat. Camel's milk, we can. Hen's eggs, we can eat. Leaves of RV, we can eat. Rat, no, we cannot eat. Fish, we can eat. Frog, no. Amla, we can eat. Chapati, yes, of course we can eat. These are made of bajra. Cauliflower, we can. Meat, we can eat. Seeds of onion, we can eat. Crab, we can eat. Grass, no. Coconut oil, no, we cannot eat it directly. Chapati, we can eat.